Hey, I'm Ryan Canelli. We're here at the 4WP Engineering Center where we got some brand new products from Rubicon Express. So why don't you come check out what we've got for 2020. Rubicon Express is going to offer two heights with three different platforms. We're going to offer a 2.5 and a 4.5 lift options in a standard, sport, and super flex. One of the greatest things about Rubicon Express is you can buy parts individually and you can upgrade your kit from kit to kit to kit, and you can end up with a super flex kit starting from a standard. Let's get into the nuts and bolts of the standard kit. It's gonna have track bar in the front. The HD track bar is a forged component to make it rigid so it doesn't flex on the highway. The best part about this is on-car adjust. All you have to do is loosen the bolts and turn the component, and you'll be able to center the axle in the vehicle for adjustments. We're gonna give you lower control arms, we're gonna give you sway bar drops, we're gonna give you brand new springs all the way, and a front drive shaft. The front drive shaft is larger in diameter from the factory, and it rubs on the cross member. This new drive shaft has more strength and more clearance for more wheel travel. The standard is a great entry-level kit, gets you on the highway, get some bigger tires under your vehicle. We can put the 4.5 lift with a new bump stop, and it's optimized for 37-inch tires, but it bumps out all the way to 40s on a Rubicon. As we build into the sport, we're gonna give you a geometry correction brackets, and that's gonna lower the front control arms down to get the ride and drive handling back where you need it to be. On this particular vehicle, we have the Super Flex kit installed, and this is gonna be your extreme rock crawling situation. You're gonna get all 8 control arms, premium PT Meg bushings at the frame, and that's gonna isolate noise and vibration. We've also got 3 shock applications. We'll talk a little bit more. Let's move on to the springs. One of my favorite features about this particular spring is this is a triple rate spring, and if you notice this isolator right here, this keeps it from clacking. What that does is you have a nice soft ride at the top. You've got a middle section of spring right here, which is a different rate, and then you've got the full weight of the vehicle as you load this truck up with all your overland gear. One of the things that the vehicle doesn't do very well from the factory is on-road handling. It tends to wobble around a little bit. And once you realign the track bar to the new suspension height, it seems to drive so much better on the highway, better than stock. Let's talk a little bit about the difference of these shocks. So when we take this twin tube, this is a great daily driver shock. But what's happening inside is the oil and the air are mixed, and that's fine on the street, but as soon as you get in the dirt, you're gonna notice shock fade. Moving forward, this 2.0 shock has an internal piston on it that divorces the air from the oil. Now 2.0 is a great shock, and it's got a lot of life, and this is a fantastic part. But when we jump up to 2.5, we hold more nitrogen and we hold more oil, and we've got a larger diameter shaft for more side load. This is a premium product, and it's going to last a very long time, and it's going to be very strong off-road. Rubicon Express has so many new great offerings for 2020. Check out your standard kit, your sport kit, your super flex kit. All of this is available at 4WP.com, and it's available now.